Perfect. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks for joining on next day. People who are waiting, please join YouTube channel live, wherein like we have started the class, and now we are actually on day 2. Yes, we are on day 2 in Linux bootcamp. This is 20 days program. Yesterday, a lot of people joined. Today also, you guys joined. Really love the way how you guys are very energetic. And as always, we are going to give left and right. And as you guys see in the screen which I'm showing right now, this is our official email support, official WhatsApp number, official office number. And then you guys see here, it is from 9 to 10 p.m. every Monday to Friday this month. We have this bootcamp, and it's all completely live. People, if you try to join earlier, then you can join here. Otherwise, it will be there in the YouTube. So we are going to start the class now. As always, Preeti ma'am is going to set a mindset that we are all full-time employee of Red9SysTech, where we are going to work for State Bank of India project, which means though you are, let's say you are a fresher, you are experienced person, for the next 20 days, you should have a mindset that you already joined a Red9SysTech IT company as a full-time employee, wherein we got a project from State Bank of India. All right, guys, please let me know if you guys can hear me properly. Everything is ready, wherein I can hand over to Preeti ma'am so that she will take it forward. Let me know if everything looks good. Please put in the chat, everyone. Perfect. Sounds great. Now, ma'am is going to start. Ma'am is the co-host now. She is going to give left and right today. And any questions, don't worry. The class will be, the actual content will be stopped by 10 o'clock. After 10 o'clock, there will be like 10 to 15 minutes Q&A session. Either ma'am or myself will be answering it. Don't worry. Don't think like, okay, it's not something like you're not looking for. Okay, it will be useful. Don't worry. We are going to start now. Preeti ma'am, please take it forward.
Sure, sir. Hi, all. Very good day. Thank you for joining. Let's get into our topic. Let me share my screen. Can anyone confirm? Can you see my screen? If you can see, please type yes in the chat. Okay, great. So let's recap about our yesterday class. Then we will get into our today topic quickly. Okay. So what actually we have covered on yesterday? So about Linux fundamentals. So actually these are the topics, but yesterday was the first day class. So we are unable to complete it. So whatever we missed it on yesterday, those we will complete by today itself. Okay. So what is Linux? We have seen it. Linux is one of the open source, that is operating system that will allows software applications to run. Okay. Then Linux will be the bridge between hardware and software. So I gave one example, make directory project that will create one folder by using the name project. MK is nothing but make, DAR is nothing but directory. Directory means folder. Okay. Linux communicate with CPU, memory, storage, and file system to create the directory. So without OS, computer as an hardware that will cannot perform any task. Okay. So that's why we need to use the Linux command. Then what is OS? Okay, so I gave the example for that. We are working in a Red9SysTech IT company. There we have employees, office building, and manager. So our employee is like just thinking like applications. So we can able to deploy the applications In our office building only we have located our servers, that is like a computer hardware. Okay. Then our manager only will teach us to use which code, like which OS you need to use it in your project. So this is like a exact example for what is OS to understand better. Then these are the popular OS: Windows, Linux, Mac OS, Android, iOS. Then we have seen who created Linux, when was Linux introduced, why did Linux create Linux, then what problem did Linux solve, then before Linux, what was used, how actually the Linux was introduced. The timeline I have provided for to understand better. Then why is Linux so popular today? Then what are the advantages? Then where is Linux used? So I have asked the question, what do you think would happen if Linux suddenly stopped working worldwide for one day? Okay. So many websites becoming unavailable, cloud hosted app outages, CI/CD pipelines failing, then container and KAS being affected, Android devices still running locally. So now let's come into our today topic. So you are joining in Red9SysTech as a Linux system admin. So today is your first day. Let's get from this thing in our today class. Is that clear so far? Shall we jump into our today's session? Please type AG in the chat. If you all good, AG in the chat, then let's get into our topic. Yeah, I need a response from all of you. Then only I will move it. Yeah, great. What about others? Okay. What about others? Okay, fine. Okay, let's get into our topic. Great. So we are in day 2, Linux. So we are working in Red9SysTech as a Linux system admin. So we are working as a Linux system admin. We have a client. There we got a project. Our client is SBI Bank. So this is our client. So Red9SysTech is nothing but our IT company. Okay. So now we have joined in Red9SysTech as a first day. Okay. So let me tell it again. You are joining as a Linux system admin in Red9SysTech. So you got a project from SBI Bank. So today is your first day. Okay. Let's get into our topic. So let me tell you the scenario. So as I said, you are joining in our company. Today is your first day. Then our manager welcomes you. Like they are saying like, welcome to our infrastructure team. Then he points to a dashboard. Okay, our manager points to a dashboard. So in the dashboard, what actually you will see production servers. So that contains 5,200 servers. Okay. Then Linux servers. Linux server contains 4,900. Just I'm telling example. Okay. Then Windows server we are using in our company 300. Okay. So now our manager points to this dashboard. So there we have production servers, Linux servers, then Windows servers. Okay. Now our manager says almost every application running in our company depends on Linux. Okay. Let me put as a short form Red9 here. Our company name Red9SysTech. Okay. So our company, every application running on Linux. Then what actually he said, today you will receive. Okay. Today you will receive the access to one production Linux server. Okay, don't worry. You won't touch production today. Okay, what actually they are saying, don't touch the production today, but before touching any real server, every engineer must need to learn how Linux works actually. Okay, so that's what here we need to understand what he mentioned exactly. Okay, then our manager asked, do you know why almost every cloud server in AWS, like Azure, those are coming under the public cloud, and GCP, Google Cloud Platform, runs Linux? Our manager asking the question to us. Can you try to answer it, guys? Can you try to answer it? Okay, great. Let me tell it. So, by the end of the today's session, you will know. I will not tell the answer now. So, let's wait till end of the session today. Okay, for this question, you will get the answer if you are in this session till end. Okay, so we are working in Red9SysTech. Today is our first day. Our manager points to the dashboard. This type of service we have it. This type of like this much of service we had. So today I'm giving you the access to the production Linux server. Don't think like you won't touch the production server directly today, but you will get the access. Then our manager asked the question to us like, do you know why almost every cloud server in AWS, Azure, and GCP runs in Linux? So by the end of the session, you will get the answer for this. Okay, now let's get into our topic. Okay, so this is the scenario. Okay, so why we need to know why companies use Linux. Let me tell you the real-time example. Okay. So Amazon company is using the Linux. So the behind reason is AWS EC2 Linux servers, they are using it to deploy the application. That's why Amazon company using the Linux. Then let's come to the next company, Google. So if I want to search any infrastructure, in that purpose, I'm using Linux in this company. That is Google. Then Netflix. So in Netflix, we are using the Linux for streaming the platform. Then Meta. So Meta company is used for the Linux is backend infrastructure. Then Paytm. So we are using Paytm application. In that we are using Linux for Paytm system. Not Paytm system, payment system. Okay. Then let's get into the next application, like next company, Swiggy. So we are using Swiggy for order processing by the help of the Linux. Then PhonePe. So we are using PhonePe for transaction servers by the help of the Linux. Okay, now I will ask the question to you guys. Please listen it carefully. Okay. If Linux disappeared tomorrow, what would happen to cloud computing? Can you guys try to answer this question? If Linux disappeared tomorrow, what would happen to cloud computing? Okay, I will tell you the answer while I'm teaching itself. Okay, even you can able to understand if you are till the end of the session. Let me come to the next topic. Okay, please be patient, guys. I will give you a chance to speak it up. I will give you a chance, but please be patient. Let me complete few things, then I will give you a chance. Okay? Is that clear so far? Is that clear? Yeah, great. Linux distributions. So, in the Linux distributions, okay, yesterday I have mentioned Linux. Today even I have mentioned the Linux. But in the Linux, what we will called that as an Linux. Even we are using Windows. In Windows itself, we are using plenty of flavors like Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows 11. So much of versions we have it. So much of flavors we have it in Windows. Likewise in Linux, what we will call as an Linux flavors. Now we need to know that. Let's get into that. So Ubuntu is one of the flavor that is very easy for beginners. Then Red Hat Enterprise Linux. That is mainly used for enterprise production. Okay. Then Rocky Linux, that is used in enterprise alternative way. Then Debian Linux, we are using Debian Linux for stable server. Then Amazon Linux, we are using Amazon Linux in AWS servers. So throughout this full course, we are using Ubuntu. That should be the beginner friendly and widely used in cloud environment. That's why I have taken this flavor to teach you. Is that clear? Is that clear so far? Till that, is that clear? If you're clear till that, please type CC in the chat. Once I get the response, then I will jump into the next. I need an answer from all of you. Yes? Okay, great. So, let's quickly revise what are the things we have done it. So, I gave the example, then I gave the scenario, why companies use Linux. If Linux disappeared tomorrow, what would happen to cloud computing? So, for that only, actually, we are waiting to get the answer. Then, Linux distribution, what are the flavors we have it? Okay. Then, now let's come to the environment setup. How actually we can set up the Linux environment. That is the very important thing. Even our manager assign the task like I will give you the access to the production Linux server, but how actually we can use it even if we are getting the access without setup? How can we achieve it? So we need to set up it. That is the base thing. Whenever you have joined any company, if that was your first day, you have to set up those things. Okay, so let's get into that. So first we need to install the virtual machine. Okay, let me give you the link to install. Okay, so install Ubuntu Linux virtual machine. First, you need to install, like download the virtual box by using the help of this link. I will give you the link. Okay, I have already downloaded. If I am downloading now, that will take more time, more than 30 minutes will take. So that's why I already downloaded, but I will guide you. You can easily download it. Okay, just you can click the link and download. That's it. Okay, meanwhile, just click it. Meanwhile, on the background side, that will download. Okay, then please come here. So this is the first step. After that, we will receive the result like Oracle VM Virtual Box installed successfully. Okay. Then we need to download the Ubuntu server ISO. Okay, let me give you that thing. That step I will give you. Okay, that is the step 2. So step 1, we need to download the virtual box by using the help of this link. Okay, so this link we need to use it. Okay. Then we need to download the Ubuntu server ISO. For that, I will give you the link. So you can use this link to download. This link you have to use it. That also I will give you. This also will take more time to download. Just you can click it and download it. Okay, you can use the Windows host. If you clicked it, you will see the option like many things. Choose Windows host. Okay, then after that we will expect the result like that was downloaded. So this is the second link we need to download. Okay. Then you can able to see the virtual machine. So you have to open that virtual box. I will give you that step now. This is step number 3. Okay, so create new virtual machine. Once you created, okay, once you just created, you can come to the new and you can set it up. Put VM name, then where your VM folder need to save. I guess you are unable to see my screen. Let me share my screen again.
We are able to see your screen, Preeti, ma'am. Please try to reshare it one more time.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, let me share it now. Okay. Can you see now? Can you
Yes.
confirm?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
great.
Please go ahead. Yeah.
So the first step, we need to download the virtual box. Then second step, we need to download the Ubuntu server ISO. So I gave the both links to download it. Okay. I already downloaded because that will take more time than expected. That's why I gave you the link directly. Okay. Then once you installed it, here you can see the virtual box. Okay. If you installed it, you can see it. Just click new. Here you have to give the VM name. Then where your VM folder, like VM file has been saved, you have to choose that path. Then ISO image. This only that ISO we have downloaded, right? That thing we have to upload it. Then click finish. That's it. Okay. I already done it. That's why I don't want to do it again. So that is the simple thing. Okay, create new virtual machine, open virtual box, click new, just fill the details, Ubuntu server and type Linux, version, choose it and click next. That ISO file, whatever you downloaded and choose that, wherever it has been stored. Okay, then it will show to choose allocate memory. You have to choose 4096, then disk size 30 GB, then attach the ISO as I mentioned earlier, then click start. So start the virtual machine. Okay, then once you start it automatically, whatever updates is there, that will install the basic tools and updates the OS. So in that time, you have to choose the language, English, keyboard, English US and continue. Then it will ask you to click the continue on the network page. Just click continue. Then storage, just you can click continue, continue only. Okay. Then profile name, you have to choose it. Okay. So what is the server name? What is the username? Okay. Then what is the password? Then click continue. Okay. 3 names you have to give. Username, server name, password. That's it. Then it will ask you to install the OpenSSH server. Automatically that will prompt it. Just you have to check and install only. All the things will be installed now. Then that will take reboot. So this thing itself, it will take 45 minutes around. All the things to download, all the things to set up. Okay. So this step I will give you in the documents. Even I gave already the link. Just you can start to download. Okay. Then we need to log in. Now I will come here. So this is our server, Ubuntu server. Okay. Once you opened it, this will ask you the, yeah. On the top, you can see Ubuntu server login. Okay. Actually, my mouse is not showing here. On the top, you can see. Then password you have to enter. So whatever you have created the server name and password, you have to type it. Then that will be coming here. So VBox user is the username. Then Ubuntu server is the server name. Okay. Now let's get into the hands-on. Okay, let me tell it again. Whatever we have done it so far, then we will jump into our hands-on. Okay, so don't confusing it. Actually, here we can't point to the mouse. That's why I'm saying on the top you can see Ubuntu 26.04 LTS Ubuntu server TTY1. On the below, you can see Ubuntu server login. So VBox user that I gave it whenever I created. So I have opened the virtual box what I installed. Then I have clicked the new. In that time, I have give the name. So that name is VBox user. Then password, what I gave. That password you have to give it here. Okay. So as of now, what actually we have done it. Just I have set up my virtual machine to use in my production. So just I have installed the Ubuntu Linux virtual machine by using this link. Then download the Ubuntu server to attach it. Then create new virtual machine by using the help of new. Then allocate memory. Then create virtual hard disk. Then attach Ubuntu ISO. Then start virtual machine. Okay. Then for the Ubuntu installation, it will ask keyboard, network, storage, then profile you have to use it. As I said, right? Server name we have to give, username we have to give, then password we have to set. Then click continue. Then automatically that will start the basic tools, installations and packages will begin. After that complete, that will reboot it automatically. Okay, then log into the server. Is that clear so far, guys? Till that is that clear? Then you can see congratulations, you have logged in into your first Linux server. So that's what here we have seen it. Is that clear? Till the setup is that clear? If you are clear till that, please type CC in the chat. So don't worry, I will give you all the step by step in the document. Please go through it once we complete the class. Okay, don't think like we are not doing the setup in the live because that will take more time. That's why I gave all the steps, all the links to you to do. So we will focus the commands. Okay, that's what I'm trying to saying here. Is that clear? Please type CC in the chat. I need an answer from all of you. Then only I will jump into the topic. Is that clear so far? Yeah. What about others, guys? Okay. What about others? Great. What else? Okay, fine. Next. So now we have logged into our server. So first I need to check the current directory. So what is the command? What is the script for that? pwd. PWD is nothing but present working directory. This is P. Okay. So in the virtual machine, it will be showing like this only. Okay. So PWD is nothing but present working directory, where I have an under home directory under my user, VBox user. Okay. So PWD is nothing but print working directory that will show your current location. Okay. So let's get into the hands-on. First, what we have done it, log into the VM. Then I am checking my current directory. For that, which command I need to use? PWD. Okay. So what output we will receive? We will receive slash home slash student. Okay. So let me give the explanation. PWD is nothing but print working directory. Print working directory. Okay. Okay. So print working directory. What actually that will do? That will shows your current location. That's why we are using PWD. Okay. So this is the first thing we need to know. Then I need to check the list of files. How much files I have it. So ls list. Okay. So that will show company employee.txt test. Okay. Let me tell you why actually that was showing in blue color, why that was showing in white color. I will tell you that. So the next command is about list files. Okay. ls is the command. So ls means list the files in that path which you are in currently. Okay. So output what we will receive? Whatever we have it. Example, some documents, some downloads, then pictures. Okay. So this is the second command, ls, list the files. Then I need to see the detailed information more about that files. So ls-l. Okay. So this will give you the more details about the files. So here you can see D, the first one company. Just see the company on the left side corner. You can see D. Okay. So D as in directory. Then R as in read. W as in write. X as in execute. Okay. That I will come later deeply onto it. Just you can understand what is that. What is D indicates, what is R indicates, what is W indicates, what is X indicates. Okay. So D indicates directory. Then if the D is missing, that means the files. Okay. Now let's come into here again. Now list detailed information. Okay. What is the command for that? ls-l. Okay. So what you will get the output actually? You will get the output as like dsn, directory, read, write, execute. So likewise, you can see. Okay. This thing I will explain deeply in the upcoming session. Okay. Just you can understand what is that indicates. What is that letter indicates. That should be fair enough for now. Okay. Then to something, then student, then that size, then when it was created, then what that contains. So this is one of the example. Then let's get into the next thing. I need to see the hidden files. What is the command for that? ls-la. That will show you the hidden files also. As of now, what actually we have seen, company we have seen, employee we have seen, test we have seen. But this dot bash underscore logout we didn't seen before. Dot bash rc we didn't seen before. Dot catch, dot profile, dot ssh. All the things we didn't seen it before because those comes under the hidden files. So how we can see the hidden files? By using the help of the command that is ls-la. Okay, let's come here. I need to show the hidden files. How I can achieve it? By the help of the command that is ls-la. What output we will receive? Dot files we can see, then that under dot dot, then dot bash rc file, then dot profile, then documents, then downloads. That will show all the files, even that will include the hidden files. That is the power of the command ls-la. Okay, this is the output. So what is the command? ls-la. That will show you the hidden files. Okay, then let's come into the next thing. So I need to create a directory. Like I want to create a folder. What is the command for that? mkdir. Okay. Then folder name. I will give the folder name as companies already there. Let me put project. Okay. Make dir project. So what that will do? If you put ls, that will show the project files with blue color. Okay. So let me come here. What we have done it now, I have created the folder. What is the command for that? Create a folder. So by using the help of the command make directory, then the name of the folder project. Okay. If I want to check it was created or not by using the help of ls command, then what you will get the output? You can see the project folder. That means you have created successfully. Okay. I need to go inside the folder. How I can achieve it? cd, then project. I need to jump into the inside the folder. So that is the command for that. Then if you want to check which present path we are in, present working directory. You can see home, vbox user, then project. Okay, let's come here. So how we are moving inside the folder? What is the command? cd project or cd company. Okay, how we can check? By using the help of present working directory. What you will get as an output? Slash home, then your user, vbox user, then that folder name. Okay, so is that clear so far? Yeah, blue color indicates the folder. Okay, great. Then, so this is the last command. I want to create the files, empty files. So touch is the command. Touch servers dot txt. Okay, if you type ls, you can see servers.txt because that is files, that is not a folder. Maybe if that is folder, you can see in blue color. Okay, now let's come into the session. So what we have seen it now, create empty files. What is the command for the touch, then file name? Okay, touch, then file name servers.txt. How you can verify? By the help of ls command. Then you will see the output as servers.txt. Whatever we are using the command, we need to check that was done properly or not. Okay, is that clear so far? Is that clear, guys? Is that clear? If you're clear till that, please type AG in the chat. All good. AG as an all good. Okay, great. If I need to jump into the home directory, cd curl, what that will do, that will come one back into my home directory. So cd curl is the command. Okay, so one by one daily we will learn the new commands. So what is the command for this? Return to home directory. What is the command for that? cd tilt. Okay, then how you verify actually? With the help of the command, that is pwd, that means present working directory. Okay, you can check it. That should indicate the home directory slash home slash vbox user. Okay, so this should be fair enough for today, guys. So we will see the next topic on the tomorrow session. So tomorrow is about Linux file management. Okay, so today actually what we have learned, okay, So today, how to log in VM, how to check the current directory, how to list the files, how to list the details, information about the files, then how to create a folder, then how to go inside the folder, then how to create a empty files, then how to return to the home directory. Okay. So, today we learned how to enter a Linux server and use it. This was we done it. So tomorrow your task is to do, you will need to inspect files, read logs and identify what went wrong. We need to get into the deep commands. How to inspect the files, how to read the logs, how to identify if I'm wrong, if I went wrong. Okay. So every minutes of downtime cost, the company lost the lakhs of rupees. So our tomorrow mission is about Linux file management and inspection. Okay, so tomorrow you will stop being a beginner and start working like a Linux admin. So we will handle the live production issue. So this is our tomorrow question. Already I raised it today. So we'll see the answer for this question on tomorrow. So we done for the day.
Perfect. Sounds great, Preeti ma'am. Thank you so much. Hi guys.
Yeah.
How many of you guys really feel enjoyed this particular day today? Let me know. Just give a thumbs up in the chat. Awesome. Guys, that is what happening. The real transformation is happening with real hands-on. It's not a theory. It's all purely hands-on projects people are working. And I clearly mentioned that there should be a transformation. Without knowing the purpose of learning, there is no use of learning. We should be very smart enough to understand the purpose. So happy to see you all today. I am not going to let anyone to go without answering your questions. So please try to ask question. Please raise your hand, and myself and ma'am will be available for next 10 to 15 minutes. We are going to answer it. So please go ahead and raise your hands, and we are going to unmute and we're going to talk about it. Guys, people who join lively in the YouTube, thank you so much for your patience. Please stand by where we are going to answer the questions. If you have questions also, please put in the chat. We are going to answer it. All right. All right. Thank you guys. Please stay tuned because the way how you can explore, I'm giving one more secret. When others are asking question, try to listen to the question and the answer. Then you will feel that, oh, that is how it works. I thought it's something different, right? Because some topics might look very simple, but when some other people are asking some question, and you might get a lot of ideas about it. So that is where smart people try to explore. How you can explore? First, we have to listen. When you listen, then you will start learning it. Once you start learning it, you will start earning it. That's simple formula. All right, guys. Again, I appreciate all your time. Please stand by. Yes, we are going to give a certificate, Sendil. No worries. All right. So let me give you one more thing, guys. Don't worry about follow the same steps when ma'am is doing in parallel. So just follow what she's talking about in the class, in the real hands-on. Anyhow, you're going to have these videos, right? So today's class is also there in YouTube. You can watch it. But the thing is, when you want to execute real time on your hands-on on your machine, you're going to get the notes. So today's class notes will be there in tomorrow, and yesterday's class notes will be uploaded by today, I think around 11:30. It's all in the cloud and it will be jumped on here. So no worries. So don't worry about where I can get this link and all. Everything will be documented. It will be there. All right. Thank you so much, guys. Abdul Rahman, please go ahead, Abdul.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
I have not get the link for ISO download file.
Oh, okay. So it will be there in the document, Abdul. Don't worry. We'll be sharing it, Abdul. The link, right, for downloading the file. No worries.
I have received the virtual box link, but I have not
Mhm.
received the ISO file download.
Right, right. If possible, Preeti ma'am, please share in the what in the chat. Otherwise, it will be there in the document also, Abdul. I think we will share it in the chat, Abdul.
Okay,
Don't worry. Hmm? Okay. How was the class today, Abdul?
was great, fine.
Perfect. Sounds good. Yeah, ma'am has already shared the ISO file
Mm.
link also. Please go
Yeah,
ahead,
I got,
Abdul.
yeah,
Enjoy.
I got. Thank you.
Happy. Thank you. Thank you. Welcome. Hello, Shimpa.
Hi, sir. I have two doubts regarding today's class. Can I ask you regarding the class?
Please go ahead, ma'am. Ma'am will answering it. Yep.
Okay. Okay.
Yep.
There is one thing like show hidden files. LSLA. Is that the command? Because I'm writing it, I'm asking about that.
Correct.
Yeah, ls-la.
That's correct, ma'am.
Okay.
Yep.
ls hyphen LA.
Yes.
Uh, okay.
I have given the chat also, ma'am. Shimpa. ls space hyphen la. ls space hyphen la. I have given the chat also.
Okay, I have one more question. Just there is one more command like return to home directory. It is written like CD and there is one sign. Can you tell me what
Dot.
is that sign we call?
cd dot dot.
Yeah,
So if you want to
cd.
go one level above, yeah, please go
Yeah,
ahead,
you
ma'am.
can use cd dot dot to move one jump back into the previous stage. If you want to move back to directory to the home means you can use cd tilt, that we will call it as a tilt symbol. So in the keyboard, if you can see before one key, you can see the tilt symbol.
Before the key
Can you
one, right? Below the
Yes,
escape.
yes, yes, yes. Got it.
Tilt.
Yes.
Perfect. Yep. That is to go to the home directory. What is set in your computer? If you want to go to the home directory, you can use the tilt symbol. If you want to go one level above Shimpa, you have to give cd dot dot. Yeah. Does it clear your question, Shimpa?
Yes. These two questions I have. Thank you so much, ma'am. The teaching was awesome. I have written almost all the things, whatever you wrote, and I understood the things today. Thank you so much for the class today.
Awesome.
Yeah, it is my pleasure. Thank you. Keep learning.
Thank, thank you, Shimpa. Yeah, keep coming. Yep. Hello, Mayank. Hello, Mayank.
Yes,
Yep.
yes. Thank you. Thank you so much for letting me ask, sir. It was a very good session. I also understood most of, like almost everything. Only question I have is that I couldn't understand why the operating system or the VM loaded in the CLI mode. Why it didn't load in the GUI mode? I remember when I installed Ubuntu in the VirtualBox last time, it opened in the GUI mode by default. Did you hear? Am I audible, sir? Hello?
Yeah, Mayank. Sorry, I didn't say you.
Sir, did you hear my query or shall I repeat, sir?
Yeah, could you please repeat one more time?
I was asking, sir, why the operating system, the Ubuntu or the virtual machine was loading in the command line interface, like in the CLI mode. Why was it loading in the CLI mode? Why was it not loading in the GUI mode?
Oh, you're asking why it is not loading in the CLI
GUI
mode?
mode.
Sorry,
Yes. It
sir,
by
let me
default loaded in the command line interface, right?
Yeah. No, by default, whenever you install Ubuntu server, it won't have a GUI, graphical desktop by default. Okay. So whenever you install Ubuntu by default, it won't include the graphical desktop by default. So you have to use something called, you have to check the version. Let's say you can put this command, right? Cat in the etc folder, you have something called os-release. It will give you the version. So then you can update the desktop version. If you want, I can give you the command in the chat. Because ma'am has installed the Ubuntu, which is not having a default GUI.
Okay, sir.
By
Okay.
default, it's using CLI. Bank. Yeah,
Okay,
that's the
sir.
reason.
Okay.
Okay, my dear.
What's the command, sir, for installing the GUI component?
Sorry, come again. I'm not getting it. Come again. Yeah, you will get a command to install. Yes.
I was asking the command for installing the GUI component.
Yes, it will be there in the document, sir. Don't worry about it. By default, it's not there. We can install it on top of it. Okay, Mike.
Okay, sir. Got it. Thank you.
Thank you. How is the class here today?
Yes, sir. I was very informative. I listened everything carefully and I grasped all of it. Just curious to know, sir, when I will be able to access the notes document so I can have an hands-on experience.
No worries, buddy. Yeah, we will be sharing it tonight. I will be working with the team. Team is working in the night time also, so we will make it happen. We are doing multiple workshops, 3 workshops we are doing parallelly. So definitely we're going to make it happen. Don't worry about it. Everything will be communicated in the Google Classroom. Thank you, Mike. Thanks for your feedback. Keep coming for every day.
Thank
We'll
you,
see you
sir.
tomorrow. Hello, Ramanuj.
Hello.
Hello, sir. How are you?
Yeah. Yeah. Fine. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Please go ahead. Yes.
Yeah. No, actually, I'm already doing work on HPUX 3 years. Okay, so I know little bit about Linux actually. So after that, I switch another company, but there is no Unix. Actually, I detached from the Unix flavor. Actually, Linux is extended flavor of Unix, is
Correct.
it? So I'm not exactly know the Linux, but I know little bit due to HPUX. So I want to know your means learn means teaching us on Ubuntu. So will you not teach us Red Hat?
Oh, you're talking about Red Hat Linux?
Yes. Actually, Red Hat is on demand. Actually, also this is actually one. There are so many Linux, Fedora, Ubuntu. There are so many Linux, but there is enterprise means actually in a real world working on Red Hat actually. So that's why I'm asking.
Okay. Priti ma'am, are we going to cover the Red Hat also, or
Yeah,
both
going
are?
forward we'll cover, sir, because like actually in this virtual box that view is not that clear. So what we can do, we will try to use the AWS account. There we can host the machine and will show it.
Okay, perfect. We'll be using AWS for that, Rama. Okay, wherein like we will host one Red Hat Linux server over there, and we will show it. But end of the day, the distribution is different, but the commands and everything, it's all the same thing, but different flavors. You might know that already, right?
Yeah, and one more thing, actually, I've not understood what is the difference between AWS, Azure. Actually, this is OEM means company-based flavor, I think so, but I have no clear that. So, will you elaborately explain later on about this AWS Azure. What is the differentiate
Sir,
between Linux?
correct. Sir, if you don't mind, I will tell you one thing. All these are cloud providers, AWS and Azure and GCP, Oracle, IBM, Alibaba, blah, 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 all those people. If you want to understand what is cloud, I will give you one link wherein you can join, where Preeti ma'am is going to, already she has given what is cloud, why cloud, how AWS came into market, all the stuff. I will
Okay.
also share that link in the Google Classroom tonight. I have taken note of it. Definitely, I'm going to share it as a separate announcement. Whoever wants to learn AWS, please watch that video. Please enroll it first. Then you will be joining and you can watch it in your time, convenient time. I think it is scheduled by 7 p.m. and 9 p.m. India time, and also every 15 minutes it will run. You guys watch it. If you guys really love to learn how to get into AWS or DevOps or anything like that, reach out to our team and put in the chat, and we will take care of it. Ram.
Okay.
Because we ma'am is also starting AWS on Sunday. If you guys are really interested to learn like this way in AWS from the scratch end to end, you can give us message to me or like to our official number. Our team will guide you tomorrow how to enroll for it. But that will be weekend class, and team will explain how to get into that, because AWS is something like you have to create an account and other things, and they will be giving you the next way, next steps.
Okay, thank you so much. Actually, it will be start from scratch. Now, actually, we don't know about the.
Absolutely, sir. Absolutely. From the scratch. Each and every class is starting from scratch. That is our goal. Don't worry about anything. Even if you
Thank you
guys
so
are really interested to learn AI, I am going to take a class in AI. Guys, see, this Red9SysTech is actually improving the tech community by making others to grow. Okay. I think you might know yesterday about me, right? So each and everything we are learning from the scratch. Okay. Even I am taking AI class. When I say AI, I'm not taking AI tools. I am taking how to build AI system by yourself on your laptop from the scratch. That makes a lot of difference. Industry is moving towards how to see. If I'm in a job motion, right? If I look for someone, let's say I want to place up people to Bank of America. If Bank of America says something, like I want someone to support this AI project which we are getting from, let's say, other vendor, then I am looking for a person who does not simply say, I know how to use ChatGPT, how to use Gemini and all. I want someone who want to see what exactly this AI platform is all about. Forget about all the jargons. There is no, I mean, I would say like there is a plenty of jargons in the market, especially around AI. If you guys are really interested to learn AI, if you want to join, my class is starting on August 22nd. That is 6 months plan. First of all, don't blindly come. Let's see what I'm teaching, what and all I'm teaching. What is the real benefit you're going to get after 6 months? What is the real transformation people are enjoying? Because 5 years, 10 years, 15, 20 years, people are also joining my class, which means anyone can able to understand. Ma'am is taking AWS, I am taking AI. So if you guys are really interested, I'm going to share both the link in the what in our what is it called Google Classroom tonight, Ram. Each and everyone, guys. Okay, this is a general announcement. Please take a note of it. I'm going to share it. Please watch that demo, both of us, AWS and AI. Whichever you guys are interested, let us know. See, without knowing the purpose, don't learn. You should be very smart enough to learn. At the same time, what are you learning? See, we can learn 24/7 without purpose, without knowing what we are learning, why we are learning it, what is the demand. Everyone is talking about AI, guys. Okay, so let me ask you one thing. If I host one live AI session tomorrow, how many of you guys are interested to join? If
Yeah.
I host one live video means live class like this. How many of you guys are interested to join to learn AI? Only one day I'm going to give a demo. If you guys are interested, if I'm getting enough audience, because whenever I go for take a demo class, I usually get like 500 people, 400 people. Okay, but I'm looking for someone who can able to join in a massive amount so that we can take live. If you guys really interested, what you can do, I am going to host a poll or something in the Google Classroom if possible. Otherwise, after you watch that video, just let us know. We will definitely help you out. but that is something like 6 months course which you have to talk to my team. It is something like you're investing for your time and my time, where people are transforming. Okay, guys, I can see a lot of positive response. Appreciate it. No worries. We'll make it happen in all possible ways. I always never sleep without giving a value to the team. That is my ultimate goal. Without value adding to the team, what is the purpose of being a mentor here? Okay, guys. So don't worry. Rama,
Sir,
don't
where
worry
can
about
we,
it. Sorry,
where
I'll
can
be
we get
sharing the
the
link. Sorry,
no, I'm asking that where can we get the link in the
Google Classroom,
WhatsApp
sir.
or
Google Classroom. If you're not part of Google Classroom, join here. Everything will be communicated here. I just shared the Google Classroom link.
okay. Okay, thank you.
No worries. Thank you, Rama. How is the class today?
Yeah, definitely fine. Actually, we just recall my previous knowledge.
Right,
Just
right,
nothing.
right. Absolutely,
Yeah.
sir. No worries. Okay, keep coming for 20
So,
days. And if you're
and
interested to
if,
AWS,
no, if I want to know about my career counseling, then can I contact with you your personal WhatsApp number?
absolutely, sir. Absolutely, sir. Any questions, reach out to our official number. I'm giving one more time,
Can you
9193.
just type once again in chat?
Yes, yes. I have given the chat.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you so much. Oh,
Thank you,
sorry.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Yeah.
Rama.
Yeah.
Hello, Mohammed.
Hello? Hello? Sir, கேக்குதா? Hello? Hello, sir, audible?
Yeah, yes, Mohammed, you can.
Ma'am, any other option for Linux? Only Linux installing through virtual machine and directly any other option for online? Use
Yeah, we have it that I will tell it. Okay. So tomorrow what we can do, actually this thing is not viewable, so I will show you in the online. Okay, you can able to use it in AWS if you have a account in, but that is the free account only, that I will tell you on tomorrow. Okay, how we
Okay,
can use it in
and
the
one more
online. Yeah.
question. How to create root username and password?
For what? In the virtual box you are saying? Yeah, actually
Yes.
the normal user I have created today, right? So tomorrow I will teach those things and all. Actually, we didn't touch the basic, like I am touching the basics things only. So I didn't get into that deeply. So tomorrow will fully about that file inspection. So in that part, I will tell you what is root, what is bin, what is library, all the things I will teach you on tomorrow. Please come on tomorrow class, then you will get it, the answer. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, thank you.
Just normal user, you can create it and enter the password. In that user will show in the virtual box.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Hi,
Okay.
Mohammed. Thanks for coming. Keep coming. Okay. No worries.
Okay, sir. Okay, thanks.
Thank you. Hello, Mohammed. Mohammed Sabir.
Yeah, sir.
Yes, I am Mohammad Sabir. I have one question. In between the class, ma'am told she will answer the question by the end of the session.
Yes, yes, Mohammed. Correct.
So in the end of the session, she didn't answer. So I know the answer of the question, which
What is your question,
ma'am
sir?
told. Ma'am, you know why almost every cloud server in AWS and GCP run Linux? So this question in between class, ma'am told us in end of the session she will answer. So she didn't.
Okay, okay. Maybe she didn't look for the chats. So, what is your question, sir?
I already asked it.
Sorry, I didn't get that actually. I thought like, why AWS or GCP? What? Come again, if you don't mind.
Run Linux servers.
No. It's not necessarily that you have to go for Linux in AWS or GCP. Okay. See, whenever you need a server for your project, for your client needs, whenever you need
Mm-hmm.
server, let's say Linux or Windows or whatever, you can go for AWS or GCP or Azure. They are just a cloud hosting companies. Even in
Okay.
AWS, you can go and get Windows machine. You can get
Okay.
Linux machine. You can get Ubuntu machine. Okay, buddy. Don't worry about it. Okay. The thing is,
Okay.
AWS, GCP, Azure, these guys are cloud hosting providers, which means they are hosting the cloud data center. We can get whatever we want. So if you want to understand, based on this requirement, if I want to go to Linux or if I want to go to Windows, then you can compare the pricing strategy between AWS, Azure, GCP, and then you can choose it. If you want to understand how this AWS, all these things works, as I told you, I'm going to give a link. You can join the class, AWS class, and you will get left and right. Because we are going to start from scratch in understanding what is AWS. Before that, I'm going to start from like some layman terms, how to get into the AWS. Okay, so if you assume that okay, AWS means only Linux, no, not like that, buddy. Okay, you can also get Windows machine also from AWS. Okay, Mohammed.
Okay. Yes.
Yes. And when you become an architect, let's say after 5 years, 10 years, when you become architect like me, you can able to understand, okay, based on this particular requirement, what is the server I need? So that is something like internally we have to discuss in the team and make sure like what is the bare minimum configuration we are going with. Then we are going to compare between AWS, GCP, Azure, and then let's say we are going to configure the entire infrastructure inside AWS. Then we are going to scale it up, auto scaling, scale out, scale in. There are so many things are there, buddy. Okay, but we will learn in the AWS. But answer to your question, it's not necessarily that you have to go to Linux in AWS. AWS is offering multiple versions. AWS offering, everyone is offering different thing because every company needs a different requirement, right, Mohammed? Some companies need Windows machine, some companies need, even some projects need uh, Linux machine, isn't it? So based on our requirement, we can get it because that is why we are going to pay as we use.
Okay.
Huh? How is the class today, Mohammed?
It was very nice. Even I am
Yeah.
also working in a Linux environment, so I know about Linux. I'm revising
Perfect.
it.
All right, no problem. If you're really interested for the, something like something more about AWS, yeah, keep watching. Thank you,
Okay.
thank you,
Thank you.
Mohammed. Okay, no problem, Raj. No problem. I'm going to answer it. No worries. Thank you all. Next one, guys, please lower your hand once you're done. Hi, Sachin. Guys, I'm going to answer
Hi,
each and
sir.
everyone.
Yeah, yes.
Okay.
Hi, sir.
Sorry.
Today is the class. Sir, can you hear
I'm
me?
not. Yeah. No. One second, guys.
Uh,
One second. Sachin, give me
can
one
you hear
second.
me?
Yes.
Yeah,
Please
yeah.
wait.
Okay, okay.
1 minute.
Okay, okay.
People having a question, I'm going to answer one by one. Okay. Don't think like I'm not going to answer anyone. Okay. Please wait. Thank you. Yeah. Go ahead, Sachin.
Good evening, sir. Today's class is very awesome. I'm told very explained. I have one doubt. Okay. You just told on Saturday is AWS batch is started now.
Yes. Going to start.
The going to start. Okay. What about the timing? Timing and the class?
Timing is from 8 a.m., sir. Morning 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. That is for 2.5
It is
months.
okay. It is a weekend batch.
Correct. It's a weekend batch.
Okay. And how much duration it is conducted?
Sorry, come again. Your voice is
Sir,
little bit shaky.
duration, sir.
2.5 months,
Sir,
sir.
duration.
2.5 months. 10
1
weeks.
month, half,
10
sir.
weekends. 10 Saturdays,
10
10
weeks.
Sunday.
Oh, okay,
And that is
okay.
for
In
that
that.
is for AWS
Mhm,
Solution
mhm,
Architect Associate level. If you are looking for certificate, you can go for it. Or if you're looking for entry preparation, that is a
mhm, mhm.
key for it. Gatekeeper.
Okay, sir. Sir, can you share this Saturday class document if you have?
You want to enroll for the Saturday class?
No, just joining.
Yes. Oh, you want a demo, right? Yes. Guys, everyone,
Ah,
right? I told you earlier, I'm going to share both the link, one for AWS, one for AI. Ma'am is going to take
mhm.
AWS starting from coming Saturday, which is AWS starting from 8 a.m. to 11 a.m., 3 hours. I am going to take left and right on AI. My class is going to start on August 22nd, Saturday, and that is for 6 months. And that is not just a AI tool. Don't get into trap of learning how to use Copilot, how to use this tool, that tool. Okay, it's never going to work for IT people. We should know how to start from the scratch in building an application. You have to design, build, scale AI tools. You should know what is traditional AI, what is DL, what is ML, and how Python works. I'm going to start from the scratch on Python. Already, a lot of people booked from my AWS batch, but we will try to figure out if we find some seats over there. But interested people, watch the demo tonight and let us know by tomorrow, and we will try to figure it out. If you're really interested, we will add it in the either AWS or my AI batch. Okay, wherein we are going to I'm going to share both the syllabus, sir. AI syllabus, AWS syllabus, AI demo link, webinar link, AI, AWS, everything. You guys watch it. By tomorrow, let me know whatever you guys are looking for. We will definitely going to help you. No compromise. Sachin?
Yes, sir. It is okay, sir. Yeah, doctor. Yes, sir.
Perfect, buddy. Okay,
And
how is the class?
one more thing, sir. Today's class was awesome. And I want sir today's class notes, sir. To how to install, how to this.
Everything will be shared in the Google Classroom, sir. Tonight, as I told
Mhm.
you, right, I'm going to share everything. So
Sir,
today's class
what time I
notes
will?
tomorrow. Yesterday's class notes will be today. So we need 1 day time because it's very late night for us. I'm working
Okay,
one
okay.
more hour, 2 more hours. And once ma'am share the document, my team will be uploading tomorrow morning. And yesterday's class notes will be there tonight. AWS syllabus will be there tonight. AI syllabus will be there tonight. And webinar link also will be there tonight for both AWS and AI.
Okay, sir.
Today's class, don't worry. Before tomorrow's class, it will be there in the Google Classroom. You guys can take it and you can start work on it.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Thank you, Sachin. Keep coming, keep going, and learn and grow.
Yeah,
Okay,
sure,
buddy.
sir.
Thank you, Sachin. Bye. Hello, Govinda.
Hi, good evening.
Yes, sir.
I have a small doubt. Uh, where, as a sysadmin, where we are exactly using this AI? Could you please elaborate it?
Sir, I will do one thing, Govind. I am going to talk about this for next 10 minutes.
Yeah, yeah.
Whenever he speaks, I want to explain from the scratch. So if you don't mind, I will answer it little later for you. But anything specific to today's Linux class, I'm going to answer it. But don't go out. Okay, stay there. I'm going to answer it. I don't want anyone to go off-minded. Everyone has to be satisfied because everyone has to give happy signal tonight, right? Before
Sure.
we'll. That's our goal. Okay, don't worry, Govind.
Thank you.
Please stand by. Yeah, Rajkumar. Sorry to keep you waited. Tamil Selvan next. Pusala next. Yeah, go ahead, Raj. Raj, you are unmuted. Please go ahead. Raj, I couldn't hear you. I think looks like audio issue, Raj. Maybe try. Can you try to rejoin, Raj? I'll be waiting for you. Hello, Tamil Selvan.
Yeah. Good evening, sir. Sir,
Good evening, sir. Yes, Tamil. Go ahead.
sir, ma'am told Linux distributions, right? Like Ubuntu, CentOS, and Debian, and MS Linux was there. I want to know all the commands are same, almost same, or else different for each and every OS.
You mean to understand like for different distribution, is it same or different? Isn't it?
Yeah.
Sir, no, sir. Like not like that. So Ubuntu and Debian is same, and if you talk about like Fedora, some commands are different, some commands are same. Okay, but
Same.
let's say they most of the distributions are using same core commands, right? When I say core commands, let's say if you want to list the file, ls, which is same across everywhere. Change the directory means cd everywhere. Copy means cp. Move file means
CP.
mv.
Yeah.
But it is all depends on the package manager, sir. Okay, so what is the difference between that? So let's say if you want to install Ubuntu or Debian, you have to use apt. That is a package manager. You have to use
Yeah,
sudo
sudo
command.
apt install.
Correct. If you want to go to Fedora, you have to use a DNF. All right.
Oh,
If you
right.
want for Alpha in Linux, it is APK.
Okay.
And
Okay.
if you think about some file location, most of the file locations are same, but sometimes like it will be organized in different way. That's a difference. Where is Tamil Selvan? I couldn't see you, Tamil. Yeah. Is it clear for you, Tamil?
Yeah, yes.
All right. How is the class today?
Yeah, yes, sir. It was going nice.
Very good. Very good. Okay, Tamil, keep coming and let's make it happen.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you, buddy. Yeah. Next one, please. Who is that? Sorry. Ajit. Please go ahead. Anil Kumar.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, so, sir, my question, you told about the AWS class, so how to get that link, sir?
Yes, sir. So tonight I'm going to share the link in our Google Classroom. So you guys
Yeah,
can just
but
register
I
to the.
checked, sir. I
Sorry.
just checked sir, Google Classroom, but there is nothing, sir. Only
Correct.
one.
After I complete the class, sorry to interrupt you.
Yeah.
After we complete the class, I'm going to post all the syllabus and everything. Don't worry.
Okay.
Give me some 30
Yeah,
minutes or
okay.
45 minutes. After I complete the class, I will quickly take a dinner and then I will upload each and everything in a very clear, organized manner so that anyone can go and take a look clearly for AWS, clearly for AI, and clearly for all the Linux things.
Okay, sir. So I said today I see variations, variation of the Linux. Also, there is
Distribution. Yes.
Rocky,
Hmm.
AWS. So, sir, it is different from the Red Hat, Linux, or others, or something. What is the similarities between
Sir, as I told you, right? So there is a different packages, okay? Well, like different versions
okay,
we
okay,
have. So every package has its own pros and cons. People use different versions for different reason. So we are going to
so
start learn.
why they come like a Rocky or AWS, so different level?
No. Don't
Why
confuse
need
between
for
please. No. What I'm saying is don't confuse between with AWS. Okay, AWS is just a cloud provider, and they are giving different types of servers based on what we want. So every different version of Linux distribution have different goals. Okay, though they are using
okay,
same Linux kernel, the goals are different. Okay, so let's say
okay,
if you want to have a easy useness, all right, or if you want to have a desktop experience, you can go for Ubuntu. Okay,
okay,
so let's say if you want to go for a more control, user control, right, then you
okay,
can go for Arch, right, and stability definitely Debian. So there are different distributions based on different goals, sir. Okay, and every time whenever you try to start with Linux, when you go for installing different version, the package managers or something like say Ubuntu means whenever you go for Ubuntu means apt, as I told you before, right? For Tamil, same thing.
yeah,
That's a difference, sir.
okay, okay. And one thing, sir. So Linux we can install for CUI and GUI both, sir. So if I
Yes.
install the ISO GUI, then it will come in GUI, sir. It will change after that installation in
No,
VirtualBox.
no, no.
It was
Your voice is little breaking. What I understand here is, are you asking about is it come with the GUI? Is it correct?
no, sir. ISO file is available for Ubuntu servers in GUI also and CLI. So if
Mm-hmm.
I install the CLI flavor, then it
Mm.
will be changed, sir. After it will can I change after the installation
Okay.
CUI?
Yes. You can install GUI later, but you can start with CLI. No problem.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay, thank you.
Okay,
my
sir.
pet
Please
companies.
and learning and enjoy.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, Anil. Hello, Raj. Please go ahead. Pusala, you are the next one. I'll try to see if Raj is able to speak or not. Looks like Raj, your microphone is not working. Hi, Pusala. Please go ahead.
Hi, sir.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Please go ahead.
Uh, Sir, when will send the AWS class link, sir?
Give me 1 hour, ma'am. After I complete the class, I will quickly take my dinner. Then I will share it. What's the current time for us? 11 o'clock, right? I will be sharing. I know it's very late night, but definitely I'm going to share it, ma'am.
Okay, sir. And I'm interested in AI tool also, sir. AI skills
Absolutely,
also.
ma'am. Please. I will be sharing it both the link, ma'am. Once you guys go through it, whenever you have interested thing, please reach out to our team. Our team is going to explain more in detail what is the real output, how people are growing from us, and definitely you can enroll it. No problem, ma'am. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Keep going. Thank you. Hello, Ajit. Now can you speak? Raj, sorry, I couldn't see your microphone working. Please try to figure it out, Raj. I'm happy to answer it for you. Meanwhile, I will talk to Ajit. Yeah, Ajit, please go ahead.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Ah, okay. Is there any session about file system hierarchy?
Which one? System hierarchy.
File system in
Yes, sir. It
Linux.
will be it will be there in our class.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, that is also part of ours. You're talking about something like how we are using a boot to dev etc and all, right? Home directory, all those stuff, right?
That one.
It will be there, sir. Don't worry about it. The important directories we will be covering it up. It will be. I think it's already part of the syllabus.
Okay.
Okay, sir. How was the class today, sir?
It was good.
Very good. Keep coming, sir. Keep learning and growing.
Okay.
Love
Thank
to
you.
learn from Red9SysTech. Thank you, Ajit. Thank you. Raj, try to unmute now. Can you please try to speak now? Or you can ask your question in the chat. I will try to answer it. You are already unmuted. I don't know why you are not able to speak. Looks like your microphone is not working, buddy. How about others, guys? Meanwhile, anyone have any questions? Raj, you do one thing. Please send the message to our WhatsApp number. My team will be answering it tomorrow. And tomorrow, try to check if your microphone is working or not. Okay, Raj? Are you okay with that? I'm ready to help you out to answer your question even for next 20 minutes also. But try to figure it out if you can able to speak up. Otherwise, please put in the chat or WhatsApp, buddy. Thank you, Raj. Yeah, Govind. Tamil, you will be the next. Tamil Selvam, you will be the next. Please go ahead,
No,
Govind.
no, you just go with Tamil Selvan, then I will take it.
Okay. I'm waiting for you. Okay. Sorry.
Yeah.
Tamil. We will talk later, Govind.
Yes, sir. Tomorrow shall we go with that Ubuntu 24.04 desktop OS? Because today class was that screen was too blurry, not able to see visibly. So desktop OS means that purple screen will come, so we can able to see properly.
I will check. We will check with ma'am tomorrow because ma'am's machine. I am not sure what version she has. She might have like little different versions already installed.
Okay.
And try to do one thing. You can rewatch this video one more time in YouTube. Let's see if it is clear in the YouTube video, Tamil. Okay. If you want, I can give you the link of the current today's class also, wherein you can simply watch it tonight one more time and see if it helps, so that it will be crystal clear for everyone.
Okay.
Okay, give me a minute. I'm going to share the. Give me a second. Yeah, today's link. I'm going to share it here. So you guys can rewatch it one more time, and then see if it works. Otherwise, we'll check
Thank
with
you, sir.
them tomorrow. I have given the link for you guys. So please note down all the notes into your notepad. Okay, otherwise it will be difficult to take a note, handwritten notes. So take it in the notepad, copy paste. Okay, Raj, I'm facing some problem. I don't know why. Therefore, I'm trying to communicate here. I missed your last class. Came at 11th hour today. So there are any way I can get the update. Absolutely, Raj. Don't worry. I have given you the link. It's a backup video. Please watch it tonight, and you can ask a number of questions tomorrow, Raj. I have given the link already in our channel. What is it? Chat. Team. Okay. I'm going to talk about something about AI, which Govind is asking. Very interesting topic, which is one of my favorite topic in my entire life, because I have developed a lot of AI products from the scratch to deliver as a SaaS product to multiple clients across UK, Singapore, Malaysia for Red9SysTech. I'm going to give, let's say, 5 minutes talk. Okay, Raj, is it clear for you now? Don't worry about missing class. I have given the link. I hope you can able to see the chat and you can able to use it, Raj. All right. Okay, Rama, you have any question before I talk about AI? No problem, Raj.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No, actually, I want to know that any recording session available. Actually, someday if I miss the class session, then it will be helpful to
Yes, sir.
continue the
So
flow.
basically, for this week, we are trying to do it in backup video in the YouTube, but we'll see how we can figure out a next way, sir, for next week onwards. So for
Okay.
this week, all this 5 days class will be there in the YouTube live also. So the link which I shared is for today's class is there. Excuse me.
In
So-
Google Classroom, is it?
Sorry?
A link will be shared in Google Classroom, is it?
Yes. No. Today's class link already I shared here. Yesterday's class link also was there. But definitely we are going to share all the backup videos link in the Google Classroom.
Google Classroom. Okay. And one more thing, sir, regarding I want to know something regarding AI. So any prerequisite knowledge required means any relevant technology like Python or anything else for AI?
Sir, no, sir. So I'm going to answer that now. So don't worry about all the jargons and you should be very expert in everything. Okay. In order to learn AI, the biggest problem in these days is content is overloaded. How many of you guys agree? Sir, I tried
Yes,
to
sir.
learn AI 2 years back,
Yeah,
1 year
too
back.
many things and too many tools are there. So, means not 100, even it becomes thousands even.
Correct. Everyone is
Actually,
talking about AI. Everyone, some people say,
this is our
directly you
problem.
join my class, you will become AI expert tomorrow. Never going to happen. Correct, sir? If I
Yeah.
say, you come to my class today, you will become expert tomorrow, it's never going to happen. Isn't
No.
it? Right. So next thing, if you directly learn about, let's say, Gen AI, agentic AI, without knowing the core structure, you might learn, but it is not going to helpful for long term. Okay, it is for supporting your current project. Let's say if you know how to use Copilot, how to put prompt engineering, how to use the right context in the prompt, without knowing what is token embedding, how LangChain works, how MCP works, how RAG works. Sir, what is required in the industry is what we need to learn, sir. Okay, not about just a theory, not about something, curriculum. I created a curriculum from the scratch. Give me 1 minute. If you guys are interested, let me share it quickly for each and everyone. Let me open up my curriculum. And this is called as, can I share my screen one more time? If you guys are interested, I'm going to share my screen. It is not a AI class, but still I want to quickly share it for the favor of people here because you guys are there. I want to quickly share it.
Yeah, please.
Can you guys see my screen now? Can you guys see my screen now?
Okay.
Sir, can you see my screen? Can someone please confirm? Everyone, right? Perfect.
Yes.
Rajkumar, please be standby. I'm going to share the day 1 class also. Don't worry. Okay, no worries. Sir, I am not going to teach you something directly start with Gen AI. I am going to start with AI full stack engineering from the scratch. Okay. So I will do one thing. I'm going to take one live class maybe tomorrow, whatever time prefers. I'm going to schedule it. I will share that link in the. We will create one Zoom link. I will share it in the Google Classroom. You guys can join because a lot of people already left today because it's 10 o'clock or what is it, 10:30 or 11 o'clock now.
It will be great. Actually, we have
I will be exactly wrong, right? But this is the thing you have to understand. This is my class. I am going to give left and right. We are not going to talk about AI tools. First disclaimer. What are we going to talk? Sir, we are going to learn core Python programming, advanced Python and libraries. We are going to start developing an API using Fast API. You are going to learn about SQL. You are going to learn about Power BI. You are going to learn about data science and machine learning theory. Don't worry about mathematics. People are fear about mathematics, so we are not going to learn how that algorithm came into market, all those stuff. We are going to learn about theory bare minimum. Then we are going to learn about machine learning project development. We are going to develop a model using Fast API. We are going to expose. We are going to Docker it. We are going to use GitHub integration. You are going to learn about MLOps using Jenkins and AWS as a basics. What is bare minimum required for AI? Then you're going to learn about something about React also, just a basics. Sir, each and everything I have given a curriculum. This is for 6 months, not one day. All 6 months, Saturday, Sunday, 8 o'clock, my class starts. 8 to 11. The way how I speak, the way how I deliver it, that is my passion. That is my responsibility, my ownership, each and everything. Without delivering value, I never go to sleep. Because I am a developer, I was a developer. Even today, I am developing not a web application, but AI application. Are you guys clear so far?
And each and every topic will be start from scratch, is it?
Absolutely, sir. If you see here, you see here, Python syntax and fundamentals, how I'm going to install it, isn't it? So experienced people also can learn from the scratch. Even freshers also can learn from scratch. Even college people also can learn from scratch. It is designed with the context of outcome. What is the outcome for it? Whenever you start developing something, you have to do some capstone projects, isn't it? So we are going to deliver each and every context, let's say each and every topic, each and every subject, technology from the scratch. Even though you don't know what is NumPy, I'm going to start from NumPy. But there is a connection. See, that is how I built it. Okay. See, without connection, if you learn, there is no use, isn't it? So that is how we have connected this entire syllabus. I will be sharing in the Google Classroom. You guys can take a look. And then if you are interested, you can join my class, which is starting on August 22nd. But the problem there is a lot of folks already enrolled. I need to check how much seats we have allocated. I mean, we still have left over because since you guys requested today, we came into different topic of AI. Otherwise, I couldn't talk about AI today. But anyhow, as long as it is adding value to all of you, I'm happy to do it. Okay, guys. So we are going to do this end to end. And if you guys see here, Power BI also we are going to cover a little bit, and then you guys can take a look. And again, if you want real live session also, I can spend some time, let's say 1 hour tomorrow. I will check with my schedule and everything. And all of these, right, you are going to do from the scratch from your laptop, not about something online.
Sir,
Okay, sir.
one more thing. Just I want to know this. I just saw that it is written over there that Gen AI. So it is combined course of Gen AI and agentic AI both.
Yes, sir. If you see here, first we are going to learn about traditional AI. Traditionally, something like you are going to create a model and everything from the scratch from your side, right? And then if you see here, my syllabus is now only ended for traditional AI. Now only we are getting into Gen AI.
Okay.
This is very vast subject, vast syllabus. But why I'm taking like this? Because I want each and everyone to get transformation. People learn something here and there and are saying that, sir, I didn't get a transformation. Because I should be patient to teach. You should also be patient to learn, isn't it? Then only you can get a 100% effectiveness. So each and everyone, we will spend 6 months of time. As always, we are creating a team. It's not like a training center because I'm mentoring people. So whenever you guys are looking for any kind of mentorship like this, so you can join my class, which is something like Gen A also I'm going to start. How AI started, what is LLM concept, what is token, embedding, everything we're going to start. And then we're going to set up something from our local machine. We are going to start building this. If you guys see here, what is RAG architecture, how MCP works, how to create a lang chain and all those things, we are going to see this. And finally, agentic AI. So totally it needs 6 months of time, sir. How many of you guys like this approach? Just give a thumbs up or something. I will see your energy. Because all of our classes in Red9SysTech is two-way communication. It's not like webinar. We never host any webinars. We always host meetings. Sir, without knowing you what you're asking, if I say something, what is the purpose? I don't have any goal of saying, okay, I have given like 100 webinars. I have a goal of making, I have transformed 2000 people in AWS in last 3 years. Similarly, I want to transform, not sure about numbers, but I want to transform really aspirant who is really fearing about job security, all the politics, all these things, right? Don't worry about anything, sir. Nothing you can change. We can change from our side. We have to be smart. Whenever you go for interview, if they ask about one technology, they're not going to talk about only one technology and they're going to hire you, isn't it? So we have to understand the ecosystem. So people from different background, why they're joining my class is because of we are making a real impact by making a transformation. Transformation is what we guaranteed. We never guaranteed that we are going to give a job. Double quotes. I'm declaring. Very honestly, I'm saying. In this world, if I say I'm going to give a job after you complete this course, I mean, we are not doing that and we cannot do it. We are going to give you what is really required to get into job. Is it clear, guys? Everyone, type CC because this is very clear. Because I'm never guaranteed that I'm going to give you a job after you complete 6 months. Because this market is very volatile and it's not stable and it is not going to happen for each and everyone, buddy. How can I give a job if someone come from different background without knowing what their real skill? I should not say something false statement and market it. I want to make it very clear, 100% very honest, transparent, what is going to happen. I'm not forcing anyone to join. I'm giving you what is the outcome. I'm giving you what is the roadmap. And if you guys really enjoyed my way of teaching, if you guys are really looking for this kind of course, don't worry about it. I can answer it any questions you have. Go through it, understand it. Once you feel comfortable, join. Because see, without your comfortability, if you join, you will lose interest. Of course, you will feel tired. Again, you will get frustrated. I can see people join. I think yesterday also one of our teammate was saying, right, in our team, he said like I already learned AWS, sir, but still I have some clarity missing. Why? Why the clarity is missing, sir? Everything we have to start from why. Why? Why is what first question you have to ask, sir? Why company is paying for AI people? Why company is not paying for testers? Why company is not paying for support people? Does it make sense, sir? Why, sir? Before 2000, companies are paying for mainframe people. How many of you guys know about the technology? C++ mainframe. Nowadays, people who are there in mainframe, they are okay. They have a job. They have secure job. They are managers. They are directors. But now they are managing all the mainframe people. Now mainframe people are moving to different technology because of job and market and pricing. I mean, salary. Then of course the manager also has to move to different technology. You know, after 15 years, 20 years being in a comfortable zone, if you want to get into another level, it's very hard, sir. All of my students, all of my learners who is learning from me, I simply say one thing. If you are ready to invest your time and money for the time, have a mindset of growth, try my class. If you don't get a transformation, we'll talk about it. But you have to put efforts. I am not guarantee like, just simply join the course all the night, like your entire life is going to change. No, don't think like a course. It's like a technology we're learning, sir. Yes sir, no, Ram? Going? I think
Yes, yes,
anyone can speak. Everyone is unmuted.
yes.
It's not only Govin. Sir, this is the real truth, sir. Okay. Sir, without having a proper, information, If you start talking about something, right, what is the purpose? We have to learn from the scratch each and every technology. And some people might think, hey, I am already a big shot, I'm already 20 years experience per candidate, why should I learn this? Why should I learn Python now? Sir, I'm not saying tomorrow you have to learn Python, today after tomorrow you have to install Python, but you are going to manage AI people. AI people is nothing but Python. When they are using Python, based on your experience, you cannot go and ask them, hey, why this error occurs in Python? What is the problem in it? Sir, with your experience, you cannot go and ask. They won't respect, right? So the respect comes by your skill. So that is what the transformation I did. I had a very great experience in IT. You should know how to make money out of IT. It's a money making machine. How many
Yeah,
of you guys
that's
agree?
what I raise a question actually. This AI where we are helping nowadays, we are all our world. Okay, so we would like to learn new things with the AI.
Hmm.
Means we need to adapt first of all. First of all, we need to know that base knowledge of Linux. I thought to start this reason only.
Hmm, hmm, hmm.
So where we are exactly using AI in sysadmin as a sysadmin working there.
Hmm.
Okay, so compulsory we
No,
need
go
to
with
learn Linux and AWS, Docker, Kubernetes. What are the Python? We need to learn these things.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, Govind, I will tell you one thing. Anyhow, I'm going to
Hmm,
share the link tonight, right? You can watch it. Maybe in the morning also you can watch it. No worries. The thing is, if you ask me, sir, I am already Linux admin or sysadmin, where A is going to used in my profile? That is if your
correct.
question, I will answer it like this, okay? Let's say you have 10 years of experience. You cannot simply say I have 10 years of experience in AI, isn't it? So
Yes.
everyone was a fresher, even including me. When I came out of college, I got a job. When I was in third year itself, I got a placed, which means everyone was a fresher. When they're taking a fresher, they're trying to figure out whether I'm going to get a benefit out of this guy or not, isn't it? So being a fresher, when some companies hiring some fresher from the college, which means they are looking for something, not like expert. They're looking for something, whether he is having very good communication skill, whether he is going to open to talk, whether he is a very good communication with the team and other thing. But after 10 years, like Govind, I don't know how much experience you
Yes.
have, right? They don't care about your communication because you already have communication. Otherwise, you couldn't sustain the market for 10 years, isn't it? But they're going to figure out with 10 years of experience in Linux or whatever system admin, if you say that, yes, sir, last 1 year I worked on AI project because I acquired the knowledge in this technology stack, Python, SQL, APIs, blah, blah, blah. But you should know why you learned that. If I am the interviewer, I will be asking Govind, when you say you are a system admin for 10 years, can you tell me when you say you worked on AI project in last 1 year, can you tell me what is the purpose of SQL in this? You should know why. You cannot simply say, no, sir, Sedil sir taught me about Python and SQL in the course, which I learned, I use it. No, because you have to explain in a clear manner, sir, whatever I'm doing in AI, everything is based out of data. What is data? Meaningful information. If I want to get the meaningful information is scattered everywhere. One system might have it in a SQL database, which is Oracle, MySQL, blah, blah, blah. One guy might be having in, you know, AWS or wherever, right? Different JSON format or something. So in order to collect, in order to get the data from different source system, I should know bare minimum SQL, which I'm very good in it. Then, sir, why did you use API? What is API, Govind? Then you should know, sir, whatever I develop, I have to expose it outside. So for that, I am using application programming interface. What is application programming interface? It is the place where two application can talk each other. Sir, this is where I am going to teach. So after you complete 6 months, Govind, you will understand the ground reality of what are the components involved here, and then how you're not going to replace actually. You are not going to replace your skill because see, Linux is a different skill, your system admin is a different skill, and AI is a different skill, buddy. Right? But how
Yes.
you're going to add value, A plus B, not A replacing B. That is what people
Correct.
like me where they join. Because see, I came through development background, as I told yesterday. I was a solution architect, technical architect, enterprise, cloud, and then Gen A. Right. This is a I would say like it's a very high paymaster roadmap, which I got it. Right. But people are struggling to go there. So I'm trying to help in each every area, like let's say AWS, DevOps, or what is the real tech stack after 5 years, 10 years, 15, where you have to go. Because when you go to the pyramid, right, like your growth stops. Right. Apart from that, there are so many things happens in the office. You have to manage people, you have to manage colleagues, you have to manage manager, you have to manage family, social. So many things are behind scenes, sir. So what I would say, try to understand what is the agenda of that particular program, and it's 6 months. See if you can spend your time, and AWS is for 2.5 months. Whichever you guys are comfortable, please give a message to our WhatsApp number, official number. Our team is going to guide you. What is the right thing for you? What is the best thing for you? They will first ask you some question, where you are right now, where you want to go, because Red9SysTech company is running behind the scenes of growth oriented. No chasing, no sales, no marketing. If you guys see here, today you are learning something. As long as you are giving a value, you are getting a value. Definitely, it is going to helpful both for us, isn't it? People are
Correct.
really struggling to understand, sir. Where can I find a person who is like a mentoring for me? Where can I find a person who is going to talk for me? They're going with the syllabus. They're going by what they know. I'm not going to talk what I know. I'm going to talk what is happening in the industry. That is a mentoring. I'm always double booked person where I have busy with different meetings. But especially this Linux bootcamp, I came for this week. From next week onwards, ma'am will be taking it directly, because I know it's very late for each and everyone, guys. And still, I see a lot of people there in YouTube as well, and in Zoom. I'm really so happy about it. And people, I'm really sorry. Like if you couldn't, I couldn't answer anything today. Please join tomorrow also. I'll be there for this week, and next week onwards, ma'am will be directly taking the class. Please come for each and every day and get left and right out of it. Govind, I have given like whatever I can on this particular forum, and definitely you can watch my webinar,
Sure,
and
sure,
you will see from the scratch diagrammatically how I am explaining AI from the scratch.
sure. Thank you.
All right, buddy. Thank you, Govind. Rama, you have
Thank
any question?
No, sir, that's okay. Sir, tomorrow I want to talk with you. So, sir, when you will be available on tomorrow?
Sir, once you can automatically register it. Once you register, you can choose a time when you want to see my class. You can watch the class. Then after you watch the class, let's say I think it's 50 minutes, or I think 45 minutes, my class. Just watch it out
Okay.
and then reach out our number, official number, from 9 o'clock to 5:30, 5 o'clock the night. Sorry, evening. But I will be
Okay, sir.
sharing all the link in the Google Classroom in another next 1 hour. I have to get my dinner, then I'm going to share it. But meanwhile, tomorrow, once you guys wake up and watch the webinar, and then see, first of all, whether you are comfortable. If you see that, yes, this guy is going to teach me from the scratch, I can trust on this person, I can trust on this Sendil sir, then reach out to team.
Okay, sir.
Ping them, and they will help you out, buddy. Okay, Rama?
Yeah, thanks, sir. You just
Yes.
share the, I will just check out at morning, and after that I will make a call to you.
Exactly. Yes.
Thank you so much.
Sir, absolutely, Raj. Ram. So it's not only for Ram, each and everyone, guys, who is there, even who is going to watch this video, please reach out our official number and then take a decision. Talk to them. They will guide you what is the next thing, what is a good thing for you. Definitely, we're going to see it. And we actually didn't expect these many people for AI also, because of I have given like almost 18 batches in AWS for all tech people from different backgrounds and corporates. So a lot of people already joined even without watching my webinar. They just got my syllabus and they joined. But I told them that watch one more time webinar. Only if you're comfortable, then join. Otherwise, don't join. Because without your comfortability, even I teach, there is no point. Isn't it, sir? So that is my ultimate goal. So your growth is our success. Without your growth, there is no point of teaching, talking. There are a lot of people we have, but I don't do that. Okay, guys. Happy. So let's see all your chats. Happy faces. Quick.
Sorry to interrupt you, sir. I have asked one question in the chat, sir.
What is your question, Mohammed?
Is there any course available for Ansible and shell scripting only at Red9SysTech?
Oh, sorry, I missed your question. Is there any course for self-scripting? So self-scripting will be part of this course itself, sir. And Ansible, then you have to get my DevOps. So my DevOps class recordings are available. I think there is some Independence Day sale going on for DevOps recording, where I have given left and right in 11 DevOps tool, starting from Jenkins, Ansible, Grafana. There are a lot of tools. If you are interested, then reach out to team Mohammed. They will help you out. But shell scripting and advanced shell scripting we will be covering up in our next class itself. Don't worry about it.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, Mohammed. All right, guys. I hope I have answered everyone, and let us quickly have one quick happy face before we all go for sleep. Let's start. Let me start from me. Everyone. See how much happy we are. How happy we are. That is a split of my team. Awesome, guys. I love my team. That is why Red9SysTech company has a caption, love to learn. We didn't say coding, we didn't say AWS, we didn't say AI. What we said? Love to learn. Always we should have love towards learning. So please keep coming, enjoy the class, get all the benefits. We will learn it. Thank you, guys. Take care. Good night. Bye-bye.
Yeah, good night. Thank you.
Thank you.